Homeschoolers! Welcome to Homeschooling V&Z. Ilang araw na lang, start na naman tayo ng school year. Ayan, so let's prepare for next week. So ito yung mga ginagawa ko. Ayan, so nagpe-prepare na tayo. Ito, yung mga boxes. Magde-declutter pa tayo. Marami na tayo na declutter itong school break. May mga nabenta tayo na materials. May mga napamigay tayo sa mga friends and followers na teachers and mga kamag-anak. And then, meron pa tayong kailangang itabi, isort, ibibigay naman natin sa public library, okay, sa barangay. Ayan, para makatulong naman tayo sa ating community. Alright, so ito yung aming magiging homeschool cart. Ito yung magiging namin, lagayan ng mga kailangan namin for the school year, for the 2 kids. And we have our own separate areas pa for our homeschool materials. So, meron pa kami ibang lagayan pa. Aside from this, para sa mga school supplies, iba pa yung lalagyan ng mga other materials that we have. Yung mga flashcards, mga other learning materials. So, ito basically dito sa cart, ito yung gagamitin namin throughout the week. Okay. So, start sa baba. So, ito na yung ating, sorry, maingay yung phone. Ito yung ating Math with Confidence. Gagamitin natin for math for the 2 kids. Yan, dalawang yan. And then dito sa taas, sa second one, these are the things that we will be using for this week kasi na-prepare ko na yung lesson plans. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya. We have some play cards for math. Yung extra na whiteboard. Ito yung para sa book. Yung papatungan ng book para magbasa. And then we have here, lalagyan ng pocket chart. Yan. So, pocket chart yan. So, we have whiteboard and a big calendar. Ayan. And then, itong nasa likod, ito pa yung ibabind ko na print out ko. Sama, ikakat ko pa yan. Yan. Sa likod niya, ito, isang lalagyan. Ano lang to? Puro crafts ko to. Puro print outs. Ito, A5 na paper. And then, isang envelope. Yung mga na-print out ko na kailangan kong ikat. Yan, for the class. Yan. Okay. And then, on top, yung pinaka-importante, ito, just the school supplies that we need for next week. Whiteboard markers, yung aking nilagyan ng pen. So, ilalagay ko pa dito scissors, glue, pencils, and dito ilalagay ko pa dyan later this week. And then, we have 3 na lalagyan. Ito kay Bunso, kay Ate, and this is mine. Okay, so, per basket, andito na yung gagamitin nila. Like, ito yung kanyang student journal, yung Filipino, we have the language arts niya, andito rin yung mga reading for language arts and reading booster. At this one is the spelling skills. Ginagawa na nila to itong summer na maulan. itong school break, kukontinue lang nila yan. Ayan. And then for Ate, ito naman yung kanya, yung student journal for marine biology, that's for science. And then yung mga readers niya, yung spelling for, and ano pa, yan, mga readers for grade 4 language arts. And then spelling, so we'll just continue that. And then sa likod, yung sa akin nilagyan, we have here our homeschool planner. What we're going to use for grade 4 religion. This is for social studies, Philippine history. And then, ito, nakahiwalay na is yung wikahon, yung first batch ng sa wikahon, yung gumamela. Ang gagamitin namin, ang print out of a calendar. This is for the science. Mga gugupitin ko pa. Ang dami kong gugupitin. This is for the spelling na hindi ko na nabind. Ginanya ko na lang siya. Ito is for kinder na Filipino, pero isisingit ko pa rin siya sa aking incoming grade 2 student kasi meron mga words pa siyang hindi familiar sa Filipino. So, we're gonna use that. And then the last one is just a writing workbook for lesson. Okay, And the last one is a writing workbook for my grade 2 student. Ayan. Cursive, kasi gusto niya cursive ang aralin niya. So, hindi naman to everyday kung kailan niya lang feel. So, there's an extra. And then, these are the dry erase workbooks that they are currently working on this school break. So, kay ating multiplication, kay Bunso yung subtraction. Ayan. Okay, then for our homeschool planner, plato tayo for the coming week. Ayan, so every week ko na lang siya gagawin. So we have here on the left, ano yung mga subjects na gagawin namin, the lessons, any prep work that I would need to do, like anything that I need to cut, reprint, ayan. So, ito, ano yung video na panonoorin namin sa YouTube, ito na Filipino, sa science, ano yung mga kailangan ko i-prep, ano yung prepare ko, yung vocabulary cards, globe, even the link, na-download ko na yung app sa phone ng Bunso, so he will use those, yung mga apps na related sa language arts and science for their lessons, galing from The Good and the Beautiful. And then here, we have here for each day, nilagay ko ano yung lesson, anong book ang gagamitin. So, mas maikli na lang to, pati pages. SS is Social Science. So, pages 16 to 21 yung babasahin namin. And then, Science, we have the lesson 1. Filipino, so, gagawa tayong dalawang storya. Dalawang storya ating ita-tackle. Yan. So, that's for next week. By the way, if you want to have your own copy of the homeschool planner from Megumi's Box, I leave a link sa baba. I have a separate video kung paano siya ginagamit. And, ayan. So, you get a copy for your homeschool. Also, may mga freebies under Megumi's Box. So, check nyo na rin yan. So, we're printing another set of worksheets na ginagamit namin during the first day of school. This is the All About Me. Ayan. So, madalas kaming meron nito during our first day of school kasi maganda nakikita mo yung mga changes throughout the years, yung mga favorites nila, yung mga nagbabago sa kanila, so yung picture din nila. Ayan. So, ito yung activity namin for the first day of school. And if you want to get a copy, just go to the link below sa site ni Megumi's Box. We also printed the first day of school posters. Ayan. So, ginagawa namin yan every first day of the school year. Mandatory pictorial. So, yan. So, na-print ko na yan. If you want a copy, again, sa link sa baba. Yun muna update natin for the preparation for next week. Start ng school year. Thank you again for watching. And if you have any questions, please comment down below. Happy homeschooling! Bye!